Are you looking to streamline your Discord messaging experience? With the latest update, you can easily hide avatars in message display on your PC. Let's walk through the steps to activate this feature. First, open Discord on your PC. You may want to make sure you're logged into your account to access all the settings. Next, locate the gear icon, also known as the user settings icon. It's typically found at the bottom left corner of the Discord window, right next to your username. Click on it to enter the settings menu. Once you're in user settings, look for the appearance option in the menu on the left. Click on it to explore the various customization features available for Discord's interface. Now, scroll down until you reach the message display section. This is where you can adjust how your messages appear in chats. In this section, you'll find the option for display mode. Choose the compact mode. This mode minimizes the spacing between messages, giving you a cleaner, more focused view of your conversations. Finally, to hide avatars while using compact mode, simply disable the option labeled Show Avatars in Compact Mode. By toggling this off, the avatars of users in your chat will no longer be displayed, making the conversation easier to read and less cluttered. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden avatars in your Discord message display. Enjoy your new streamlined chatting experience on Discord.